What is it, Sean?
It's a sea monster eating a human.
Awesome. Let's see.
I like it.
Okay, where's the sea monster?
This is a sea monster. This is human. Oh. That's a king. That's the old man.
Oh,
Peter, what do you have?
great,
Oh,
honey.
are you painting trees?
It's really, really cool looking, actually. I like this part,
Leaves?
this swirly here.
Are you painting Chewbacca?
What did he say?
Chewbacca, Mama.
I just want to say hear what he's saying.
Painting Chewbacca.
Oh. What else are you painting?
Painting Chewbacca. Can I have some green? Okay.
Go ahead, borrow the green. Thank you for asking. That was really, really good.
Yay!
He's gonna borrow it. You can.
Oh.
Okay, you can share. That's why you should have that thing on. Okay. Gonna get all dirty.